Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Color of the urine in some important diseases. So first we need to know what is the normal color of urine. So the normal color of urine is a pale straw. So the normal color is nothing but the pale straw is the normal color of the urine, and it is due to the presence of the urochrome. So it contains the presence of the urochrome. Next is what is the abnormality of this. So the very first abnormality is going to be in terms of smoky. So in terms of smoky, or you can call it the cloudy. So in terms of smoky or the cloudy, what is the cause? So it is smoky or cloudy in terms of the AGN as well as the nephrotic syndrome. So in terms of nephrotic syndrome, to watch the full video, please click on the link below and it will redirect you to the main video.